So if you've never driven before, automatic cars are actually the easiest to learn. You only have 2 pedals and there are no gears to worry about. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move off smoothly, stop safely, and reverse properly. Just remember, this video is for learning purposes only. Always practice in a safe area with a licensed driver. So in an automatic car, you will only have 2 pedals, your accelerator to the right and your brake pedal to the left. Now always remember that you will only use your right foot to control both pedals. So before starting your car, make sure that your right foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. You may then insert the key and turn it fully until the engine starts. Remember, once your engine starts, release your key immediately. So keep in mind that most automatic cars are only going to start if your brake pedal is pressed. Now let's quickly look at the gear selector. You will usually see P, which is going to stand for park, and this is going to be used when your car is stationary or when it's going to be parked. We then could have R, which stands for reverse, and this is obviously going to make your car move backwards. We then have N, which is going to stand for neutral, and this is basically just going to disconnect the engine from the wheels. Next we're going to have D, which stands for drive, and this is going to be used just for your normal forward driving. Now in order to move your car, keep your foot on the brake pedal and shift the gear from park to drive. Now you're going to slowly release your brake pedal, and you will notice that the car is going to start moving forward by itself. Now this is going to be called creep. And once your car is going to begin moving, you can gently press the accelerator to increase your speed. Always remember, press the accelerator smoothly, never suddenly. Now in order to stop your car, you're going to simply take your foot off the accelerator and you're going to gently press your brake pedal. And again, remember to press your brake pedal gradually in order to avoid jerking. Now once the car comes to a complete stop, always keep your foot pressed on the brake pedal. Now if you are going to be parking, then shift the gear back to park and apply your handbrake. Now before you can reverse, make sure that the car is completely stopped and your foot is on the brake. Then shift the gear into reverse. Now when you slowly release your brake pedal, the car is going to begin moving backwards. You may then use your accelerator very gently if needed. But always remember to check your mirrors and your surroundings when reversing. Now if you are learning to drive for the very first time, then don't worry too much if you do feel nervous. Remember, automatic cars are designed to be easy to control. And with just a little practice, you will become comfortable very quickly. So just take your time, practice in a quiet area, and make sure that you focus on smooth movements. And that's basically how you drive an automatic car. Now if you also want to learn how to drive a manual car, then check out my full step-by-step tutorial. There will either be a card appearing on screen or click the link in the pinned comment below. I want to thank you so much for watching and all the best with your driving. Goodbye.